excited. Kasi eto na yun. Ito na yung big day. 8 months of planning.
It's 4 in the morning. I can't wait to take this flight to come back home.
Excited na medyo kinakabahan siya. Siyempre ngayon ko lang ngayon ko lang gagawin to sa buong buhay ko.
Watching, counting every sunset till you're back in my arms.
Love, looking into your eyes, I see a future filled with love. Together, laughter, and endless possibilities.
Joanne Arones, do you take Angelito Oco Jr. as lawfully and wedded loving husband and promise to love him and to submit to him? Opo.
When I'm back home, oh, when I'm back home, oh.
Ang vow na to, hindi ko mapapangako na hindi ka na masasaktan, na hindi ka naluluha at nahihirapan. Pero ang masisigurado ko sa'yo na hindi ka na mag-iisa, nandito na ako at sasamahan ka sa lahat ng problema na ibibigay ng mundong to.
Joanne Arones,
Wear this ring
wear this ring
as a sign of my love
as a sign of my love
and loyalty.
and loyalty.
In the name of the Father,
In the name of the Father,
the Son,
Son,
and the Holy Spirit.
The memories we're gonna make when I'm back home.
Paps, salamat sa suporta, sa mga turo mo sa akin. Ayun. At sa'yo, Mama. Thank you. Dahil pinalaki mo kong mabait na tao.
When I'm back home, oh, when I'm back home, oh, when I'm back home.
Today, I vow to build that future with you, side by side, hand in hand. I promise to be your partner in creating a life filled with happiness and unwavering love. I can't wait to see what the future holds for us. I love you. Masaya ako. Thank you, Mama, for the support. All the way. Simula nung nagplano kami. Hindi ka nawala. Andyan ka. Thank you.
Sabi ni AJ, nasa kanya na ang lahat. Sabi naman ni Joanne, ay so caring and loving. Totoo yun, no? To be in love is nice thing to experience of a man to a woman. Vice versa, woman to a man. And to get married is the best decision that you have made.
Let it come up, Mr. and Mrs. AJ and Joanne Oco.
This is our time. Hold your head up high. This is our time. Together we will rise.
Hindi ka sanay na umaasa sa iba, pero sa simula ngayon, hayaan mo ako na gawin ka na talagang Disney princess. Mamahalin, aalagaan at poprotektahan kita. Pangako na liligawan pa rin kita at mas lalong magiging sweet sa'yo kahit mag-asawa na tayo. Hanggang tumanda at tumuti na ang ating buhok natin. Mahal na mahal kita, Joanne Arones Oco. Hanggang sa huling hininga ko, papatunayan ko sa iyo ang salitang ito. Sa iyo ako.
AJ, You may now kiss your bride.